Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, September 16 to 18, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. The tropical low pressure, which is over the area of Mindoro yesterday, has developed overnight into a tropical depression, and it's now a tropical storm named Null. That's the international name, and with local name Leon. So this system is now moving farther away from the country, but is still affecting the Calamian group of islands and northern Palawan, as you can see here in this orange circle. And this system is packing sustained winds of 75 kph, gustiness up to 95 kph, 1 minute average. And it was moving west-northwest at the speed of 15 kph towards Vietnam. So it is likely to move out of the Philippine area of responsibility tomorrow morning. So right now, the combination of the trough affecting much of Luzon, Bicol region, Metro Manila, portions of Mimaropa, Eastern Visayas, we'll have some cloudy skies and some easterly to southeasterly winds, and some passing isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. While here across western Mindanao, Sulu Archipelago, western and central Visayas, including the rest of Palawan and Sulu Archipelago, including southern Mindoro, this will be under the influence of the Southwest Monsoon. This is just a short-lived habagat. Because of this tropical system, it manages to enhance this Southwest Monsoon briefly, since we are now on the path towards La Nina. That's why most of the systems are forming within the Philippines and developing into a tropical cyclone once it reaches the South China or West Philippine Seas. So that's the nature of this system. So expect some occasional rains still occurring today, but tomorrow some improvement of the weather will be expected, except for the western sections of Visayas and areas of Mimaropa, as Null or Leon moves farther away from the country. Outside of PAR, we don't have any low pressure area that is following this tropical storm. We just have a few surface troughs. We have here over Marianas and western Micronesia, another one here over eastern Micronesia, and here along the Marshall Islands, but so far it is not expected to intensify based on the computer models. We have here a stationary front affecting the central portions of southern China all through the areas of Japan. So that's the latest from our GovSat. And as we look at our fast animation, there you go. The tropical storm starting to accelerate towards the west in the general direction of Vietnam, and some cloudy with rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of the country. And as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the tropical storm slowly organizing as it moves towards the west, and the Southwest Monsoon bringing some showers and thunderstorms across western Visayas and Palawan, as well as southern and western, as well as southern Mindoro and western Mindanao, while the rest of Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, other parts of Mimaropa will be under the influence of the trough, or the extension from tropical storm Null. And as we look at our various Asian agencies tracking Null or Leon, it shows here they all agree it will track towards central Vietnam. It will move out of PAR tomorrow morning. And as we look at our computer models, this is the latest from the ECMWF, GFS, and the rest of the PAC. And it shows here all tracks points towards Vietnam. And here's the latest windy.com ECMWF forecast for the rainfall and wind conditions for the Philippine Islands for the next 2 days. So tomorrow afternoon, Leon or Null is now outside of PAR, remaining as a tropical storm, and the Southwest Monsoon will be just over the areas of Palawan and western Mindoro, including Calayan Island Group. So you can see the winds now shifting from the south, a sign that the monsoon or the habagat is moving away. And localized thunderstorms will still expected in various parts of the country. And on Friday, Nul is already making landfall over Vietnam, and the Southwest Monsoon has moved farther away outside already of the Philippine area of responsibility, but still affecting the Calayan Island Group. And while the rest of the country will be fair with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over northern and central Luzon and Mindanao, while the rest of the archipelago might have some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. And it shows here September 16 to 22. Above average rainfall across the West Philippine and South China Seas towards Vietnam and Indochina, brought about by the passage of Tropical Storm Nul, while the rest of the Philippines will have normal climate. And on week 2, September 23 to September 29, there might be another forming LPA that could develop into tropical storm or tropical depression by next week, but this is around 50-50 or moderate chances of intensifying, so it is not yet at high level, so likely it won't develop or it may develop. So we will look into that for next week, but so far there's no any development over to the east of the Philippine Islands. So there you go, that's the latest for this Wednesday to Friday, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you more weather updates. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.